Hey pack leaders, it's here, friends. Right, everything found from taking back. So let's do a daily profits update. It's about half hour from the close of the day before they reset everything. And currently, we're going to be getting into another position here. I kind of deleveraged my wallet. Actually, I lowered my wallet amount I'm trading with for now until the competition starts, and then I'll fire things back up. So, anyways, it should be good. Anyway, so I lowered it midday, so around the midday, everything was coming down pretty fast. But this is a tiny little stop out loss. But you know, it made a little enough, but just wasn't enough to cover the fees. So that's kind of what that negative P&L is. But overall today, 110. We have covered. The total P&L, someone had mentioned that this was negative. Yes, that was at one time when Bitcoin dumped $1,200 in 1 minute, and we were caught in that. So we finally dug out in like maybe 3 or 4 days to dig out of that with all these tons of trades just to get out. So it's quite amazing how much you can lose in just a minute, and then take you like 4 or 5 days to dig out of. So it's kind of part of the nature here. All right, so now I've lowered my wall a little bit, so it's going to trade a little bit more, less, not as high as we had before. And I'm just going to be testing a couple more settings here that look a little more aggressive on the other side. We're just longing only on this one, and I have another smaller account where we're actually longing and shorting, and it's actually posting better gains, I think, in terms of percentages. And I might actually test this, put this thing on there if it proves to be worthwhile. So let me show you this one. Yeah, this one here. So this is smaller, just 54 bucks, just to get things going. I think we are $54, so I would risk about a third of that, which is 15 bucks. And out of that 15 bucks, I would only trade a third of that. So you see some smaller position, unless I have to dollar cost average in, then I might trade the full $7. So I think this made about 100% return for the day from what I risked. Okay. Of the first rung. So I think with the second rung, maybe a third of that. So I think this should have been like maybe $15-16 or something like that. I'm trying to do my math right. Times 2 times 3, $21 maybe. And at 54, it's kind of close to half, but a little bit a third. Yeah. So about 100% from the first rung. Probably confusing everyone. But yeah, it seems to be doing a lot more closes and shorts and closes, longs and shorts. And then it might have a little bit of a one where it's trying to long, so it made a $3 gain, but it wasn't enough to cover the fees. It kind of got stopped out. These are probably all the same too. Maybe, yeah, it shorted from 70 to 65, $5, but wasn't enough to cover the fees. And then 38 to 886. This might have been a stop out. Actually, I manually closed this one because I was updating the bot, and it got into a position and didn't dollar cost average in, so I manually closed this order here. Okay. So other than that, overall, I think it's doing pretty consistent in terms of green days. This is a little more aggressive, and so far it's been surviving the downtrend that we had today quite well. So it was longing and shorting. It survived. This is a 3-minute chart, so it's a little more scary. So it kind of survived all this stuff going down, and then survived the rest coming out. So let's see here, 15-minute wise. This is the $600 move that it was able to handle, and then handle it coming back up. Okay. Alright, so we are going to be trying to start a Bybit competition. I just created the account. I don't know if I'm going to actually get enough people to join to start the group. If not, oh well, no biggie. We'll hit the next one. I really don't care much about the competition, really, but I figured I'd just create it and see if we can make it. If whoever's interested in joining, then we'll join, and we'll kind of demonstrate what the bot can do. And if there's not enough, it just hasn't built up enough yet, because we've only started, finding the setting that was doing well, and hasn't really built up traction here with others. So I understand it if we don't make it today or this week, and if not, well, there's always gonna be another competition. So, and I really don't care about notoriety or whatever it is, kind of thing, and go from there. So it's just more of a, like, hey, it may be great to help others, to hear, see if other people can hear about it, know about it, and then see if you can help them too. Okay. All right. Well, thanks for watching. We'll do some more updates tomorrow.